Hey everybody, welcome back to Eating is a Must. Today I'm going to be chefing up some good old Jamaican or some Caribbean curried chicken. So come along with me and let's see how we're going to get this done. Right here I have all the seasonings that I'm going to be using. Right here we have our boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I've washed them with some vinegar and some lime just to get that raw scent off the chicken, and it's now ready to be seasoned. I went ahead and I shook all my seasonings on my chicken, and guys, let me tell you this, whatever seasoning you like, you use that amount. So if you love a lot of garlic, you put a lot of garlic. You use whatever you like. Season to your taste. It's now time to go in with your hands and rub all that seasoning in so it can go right down on every piece of chicken. You want to get that seasoning on every piece so it can marinate properly into the meat. Now time to cover this and let it marinate or soak for about 30 minutes before we start cooking it. While our chicken is being marinated, I'm going to go ahead and prepare our fresh seasonings. What I'm using today is some red bell peppers, green peppers, a piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, a piece of fresh thyme, some green onion, and a piece of white onion. I'm now preparing my pot because I'm ready to put the curry chicken onto the stove. I'm going to be cooking this on medium heat, medium to high heat, and I'll be putting in my coconut oil. Now that our coconut oil is all melted and nice and hot, it's time to go in with our turmeric and our curry. Now, when you're using your turmeric and your curry, it's all dependent on how you like your curry. Some people love that heavy curry, some like it, just light. I like my curry kind of heavy, so I go in with a generous amount. Now this is what you call, burning your curry, and you don't want it to burn so much that it gets black or very dark. You want to have this nice, tangerine looking color. And then you're going to go in with your fresh seasonings. Guys, I said a tangerine color, but I think it's more amber. You can correct me if I got it wrong. But this is the color you want your curry to have. So you go in there, you're mixing all your seasonings and kind of saute them to get all that flavor out of your fresh seasonings. I'm now throwing my chicken in, and I'm going to give that a good stir, and then we cover our pot and let it spring its own water for a little bit. I'm adding a little more curry, guys, because as I told you before, I like my curry chicken to be strong. I like my curry very strong when I'm cooking it, so I'm adding a little bit more. I'm also putting just maybe about a tablespoon of water in the pan that I had it seasoned in, and then I'm going to throw that in the pot as well. My goodness, look at this, guys. I wish you could just smell it right now. All the seasonings, that curry. It smells so good in this kitchen right now. Real good up in this kitchen. I'm gonna give my pot just a little bit of taste, guys, because I want to make sure it has the right amount of salt in there, and if it needs more, then I'll add a little bit more. When you guys are cooking, always taste as you go along, and if it needs a little bit more garlic, you add it. If it needs a little bit more salt, you add it. Whatever seasoning you feel like you want to taste more of, go ahead and add it, because hey, at the end of the day, we all cook to our own taste buds and our own liking and our own preferences. So it's your pot, nice it up how you like it. Watch curry a bubbling at the pot, people. Boy, this a go sweet when it's ready. Go ahead and drop a comment and let me know what you guys would eat this with. Whether you'd have it with some white rice, some green bananas, some yellow yam, some white yam. Tell me what you would eat your curry with. I just want to know. So I'm going to add some more water, guys, and then I'm just going to cover it and leave it on medium heat. Let it continue to cook. While that is being cooked, we're going to go ahead and prepare some carrots and some, not sweet potato, but Irish potato to put in, because it is coming up to that time when it's almost ready and you want the potatoes and the carrots to cook along with it. Now, in order for our potatoes not to be oxidized, meaning not for them to get dark before we're ready to put them in the pot, I just place them in some water. I've added my potatoes and my carrots to the pot, and look at that, guys, it's almost ready. So once your potato is cooked and your carrot is cooked, then your pot is ready to go. You just, trying to reduce the rest of the water in there and get that nice gravy. So you want the gravy to thicken up a little bit. It's getting there, so it's almost ready, guys, almost done. We ready now, yeah. Look at this curry, people. This is ready to go. Nice thick gravy, smells so good up in here. Ready to go. That's how you want your curry to look, people. Trust me, this is some nice tasty curry chicken. You're not get it any better than this. See, the carrots are nice and soft, potatoes nice and soft, everything is cooked, ready to be eaten. It's now time to serve up my curry chicken. Now drop a comment and tell me if you know all that I'm serving this up with. Now, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.